Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. Are you audible? Good afternoon, all of you. Uh, Today we will discuss about MHC. So, what is MHC? MHC means Major Histocompatibility Complex. So, MHC, Major Histocompatibility Complex, is a set of surface proteins located on the cell membrane of the nucleated cells. So it plays more important work to identify the antigen. Number second one, intracellular recognition and antigen presentation. So all of you know about MHCs. So here histo means tissue compatibility. So histo means tissues, compatibility means living together harmoniously. Histo means tissues, compatibility means living together harmoniously. So combinedly called histocompatibility. So these are the major histocompatibility complexes which are present on the surface of the nucleated cells. So MHC always recognize only T lymphocytes. MHC always recognize only T lymphocytes. MHs are classified into four types: MHC1, MHC2, MHC3, MHC4. Out of four, the first two types are very important. That is MHC1 and MHC2. So what is the main function of MHC1? Major histocompatibility complex 1, class 1. So MHC1 recognize TC cells, T cytotoxic cells, T lymphocytes. T cytotoxic cells are recognized by the MHC1. MHC2 recognize TH cells. So the TH cells are recognized by MHC2 cells, two proteins. So MHC ante enti? What is MHC? MHC is membrane attached protein. MHC is membrane attached protein which work on recognition of antigen between self and non-self body and antigen presentation. So MHC is nothing but a glycoprotein. It is membrane attached protein. What is the main function of the MHCs? Recognition of antigen. The antigens are two types: self antigens and non-self antigens. So these are recognized and discriminate the self and non-self body antigens. And after that, MHCs are antigen presentation proteins. That means the antigens are presentation by MHCs. So today we will learn about the structure of MHC 1 and 2. So this is about the class. All of you audible? Okay. Structure of class 1 MHC molecule. It consists of two polypeptide chains. One is alpha chain and second one is beta 2 microglobulin. One second. So now it is visible to all. Okay. Introduction. Major histocompatibility complex is set of surface proteins located on the cell membrane of nucleated cells. It plays more important work to identify the antigen between self and non-self body. Intracellular recognition and responsible for antigen presentation. Histo refers to tissues. Compatibility refers to living together harmoniously. MSC molecules always recognize only T lymphocytes. The two types of MHCs are worked in immunity. T helper cell recognized by MHC molecule 2 and T cytotoxic cells are recognized by MHC 1 molecules. So what is the definition of MHC? Major histocompatibility complex is membrane attached protein which work on recognition of antigen between self and non-self body and antigen presentation. So these are protein molecules which are attached to the plasma membrane of the nucleated cells, and they can recognize the antigens and they can present the antigens to the T lymphocytes. Okay. So small history about MHCs. Peter Goret in 1930 found that 4 groups of MHC molecules. He used the blood sample of mice to identify the blood group antigen which designated by 1 to 4 group of MHCs. George Snell, Jean Dusset and Barley received Nobel Prizes in 1980 for their contribution to the discovery of MHC molecule. So what are the 4 classes of MHCs? MHC molecules are classified into 4 classes, namely class 1 MHC molecules, class 2 MHC molecules, class 3 MHC molecules, class 4 MHC molecules. So out of 4, the first 2 is very important. Class 1 MHC molecules. Class 1 MHC molecule are group of major histocompatibility antigen. They are present on the surface of all nucleated cells except nervous tissue and platelets. So MHC1 present all the surface of the nucleated cells except nervous tissue and platelets. It present antigen to TC cells. It binds with CD8 adhesion molecule of TC cells. It brings about cell-mediated immune response. Generally, humoral immune response and cell-mediated immune response. Immune responses are 2 types. So T cells interferes in cell-mediated immune response. So next, structure of class 1 MHC molecule. It consists 2 polypeptide chains, namely alpha chain and beta 2 microglobulin. A chain which is non-covalently attached with beta 2 microglobulin. So alpha chain which is non-covalently attached to beta 2 microglobulin. So alpha chain contain a transmembrane glycoprotein which is encoded by A, B, C genes of grouped HLA. These are located on the 6th chromosome. Human leukocyte antigen under HLA. So alpha chain is organized by 3 domains such as alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Each domain containing 90 amino acid sequences. Beta 2 microglobin is similar to size of alpha 3 and it does not contain micromembrane protein. So when the antigen is internalized and processed inside by proteasome, that is ubiquitin cytosol degradation. So the peptides are produced. So peptides means pieces of antigen. So the piece of antigen is called peptide, small piece of antigen. So the antigen converts into peptides by the processing. So that is antigen processing or presentation. Peptide is further loaded on the groove MHC1 molecule from endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the structure of MHC1. Here alpha chain and beta chain are red. So రెడ్ కలర్ లో ఉంది చూడండి, అది బీటా సైడ్. ఇది ఈ 3 డొమైన్స్ ఉన్నది, 3 డొమైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇది ఆల్ఫా సైడ్. సో ఆల్ఫా కంటైన్స్ 3 డొమైన్స్, బీటా కంటైన్స్ సింగిల్ డొమైన్. Here the peptide binding groove located between alpha alpha 1 and 2, and between the 2 alpha domains groove is present. Here the peptide binding. So the MHC1 anchoring, so anchored with the plasma membrane. This is MHC attached to the plasma membrane. One anchoring is present. In the case of MHC2, 2 anchorings are present. 2 anchors are present. So MHC2 molecules. So class 2 MHC molecule are present on the surface of antigen presenting cells. In the case of MHC1 is present on the surface of all nucleated cells except platelets and nerve tissue. But MHC2 molecule present on the surface of antigen presenting cells, that means macrophages and dendritic cells. These are APC, antigen presenting cells under. So MHC2 molecule are present on the surface of antigen presenting cell and cell which engulfed the foreign antigen. So the antigen presenting cells generally engulfed the antigens. It binds with the exogenous antigens. So the antigens are 2 types, endogenous and exogenous. Infected cells contain endogenous antigens, whereas engulfed cells, these are exogenous antigens, and the antigens are engulfed by the antigen presenting cells. So it binds with CD4 adhesive molecules of TH cells. It also consists of 2 polypeptide chains, namely alpha chain and beta chain. Antigen is processed inside the endosome and peptide is further loaded on the groove of MH2 molecules between alpha and beta. So structure of MH2 molecule. Class 2 MHC molecule consists of two polypeptide chain, namely alpha chain and beta chain. The both chains are attached non-covalently. Each chain contains two units, that means two domains. The two units of alpha chain are called alpha 1, alpha 2. The two domains of beta chains are called beta 1, beta 2. In the case of MHC1, alpha contains three domains, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, whereas beta contains one domain. So beta 2 and alpha 2 transmembrane domains anchoring the MHC with plasma membrane. Here the two anchors are present, beta 2 and alpha 2. The alpha 1 and beta 1 domains jointly bear the peptide binding group. So alpha 1 and beta 1 formed a group which having peptides. So peptides are attached in the groove of alpha 1 and beta 1 form that groove. That groove facilitates to attach the peptides. So this is the structure of MCH2 molecules. Here also four domains, we observe four domains, but alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2, two anchors are present. So this is peptide binding groove. Here the peptides are binding. So between the alpha 1 and beta 1. So class 3 MHC molecule. The molecules include complements like C2 and C4 and B factors. So molecules include complements like C2 and C4 and B factors. Class 4 MHC molecule. These molecules is present on the T cells of leukemia as well as on immature thymocytes. So what is HLA? Human leukocyte antigen. HLA means human leukocyte antigen. HLA is the human leukocyte antigen. HLA is the MHC molecule present in the human beings. HLA is the set of surface protein present on the surface of non-nucleated cells. They are responsible for graft rejection. So what is graft rejection? When the organ transplantation takes place, then the host, the recipient body, especially the recipient body, reject the organs. Why? It is foreign particle to the recipient body. So any material which are coming from outside of our body treated as foreign particle. So hence the rejection reactions takes place. So it is caused by the HLA and adaptive immunity, defense against infection. MHC is the general term referring to the HLA, but MHC. Function of MHC molecules. So what are the functions performed by the molecules? MHC molecules. MHC molecules are loaded with a bit of simple peptide fragment derived from degradation of proteins present inside the cell. This peptide is mirror image of proteins present inside the cell. MHC molecules contain self as well as non-self antigen. They bring about defense against infections and diseases. They mediate certain autoimmune diseases. They are responsible for individual smell of people. So, కొంతమంది people అంటే everyone అంటే everybody have their own smell అన్నమాట. So, a smell of people also depending upon the MHCs. అంటే పర్టికులర్ స్మెల్ అన్నది ఉంటుంది. కొంతమందికి అదే పడదు, అది కొద్దిగా దానివల్లే కంపాటిబిలిటీ ఉండదు, మధ్యలో వాళ్ళకి అండర్స్టాండింగ్స్ మిస్ అవుతుంటాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ MHC molecules. Functions, main function is defense against infections and diseases. So, summary. The both MHC1 and 2 molecules are responsible for antigen presentation, and it has application of antigen recognition between self and non-self recognition. Mostly they are located on T lymphocytes encoded by chromosome 6 of human. The two types of antigen degraded peptide, exogenous and endogenous, are involved to complete this process of antigen neutralization. When the antigen enter into our body reacts and produces and they are recognized by our immune system, and after that they are engulfed by the antigen presenting cells, and some of the cells killed by the HCl, whatever it may be. After that, and the third production line, we have 3 production lines: first production line, second production line, third production line. ఫస్ట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ లైన్, సెకండ్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ లైన్ ని ఎస్కేప్ చేసుకుని వచ్చిన యాంటీజెన్స్ ని థర్డ్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ లైన్ లో ఈ టీ లింఫోసైట్స్ అనేవి అటాక్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ MHC. నౌ ఓకే, సో మనకి ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూగా చూసుకుంటే స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ MHC 1 and 2 అనేది మనకి ఎస్ఐ క్వశ్చన్ కింద అడుగుతుంటారు. అలాంటప్పుడు మనం సో వాట్ ఈజ్ MHC? MHC means major histocompatibility complex. The definition రాస్తాం. It is a set of surface proteins located on the cell membranes of nucleated cells. It plays more important work to identify the antigen and intracellular recognition and antigen presentation. So these 3 functions performed by the MHCs mainly. So how the name MHC is formed? Major means పెద్దదని అర్థం కదా. సో మేజర్ అంటే ముఖ్యమైన. Histo means tissues. Compatibility means living together harmoniously. So hence the name coined MHC. MHC always recognize only T lymphocytes. MHC1 recognize TC cells. T lymphocytes TC cells, TH cells. TC cells are CD4 cells. TH cells are CD8 cells. So these are all we know and we study in the cells of immunity system. So MHC1 recognize TC cells, MHC2 recognize TH cells. బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా? సరిగా వినిపించట్లేదా? ఇంతకు ముందు వినిపించిందా మోహిని? కాదు, అది ఇది చెప్పండి, ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే చెప్పండి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఓకే 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 ఓకే. అప్పుడప్పుడు నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. సో MHC is membrane attached protein which work on recognition of antigen between self and non-self body and antigen presentation. ఒకసారి తెలుగు మీడియంలో కూడా కొంతమంది ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మేజర్ హిస్టో కంపాటిబిలిటీ కాంప్లెక్స్, ఇవి తెలుగులో కూడా అంటే MHCలనే అంటాము. ఈ మేజర్ హిస్టో కంపాటిబిలిటీ కాంప్లెక్సెస్ మనకి 4 తరగతులుగా ఉంటాయి. MHC1, MHC2, MHC3, MHC4. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ MHC? ఇవేంటంటే త్వచబంధిత ప్రోటీన్ అణువులు. ప్రతిజనకాన్ని గుర్తించడానికి, ప్రతిజనకాన్ని ప్రతిపాదించడానికి, అంటే దాన్ని ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అంట, ప్రతిపాదించడానికి సహాయపడతాయి. సో MHC1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 classes are identified. Out of 4 classes, MHC1 and 2 very important. So what is the structure of class 1 MHC molecule? It consists of 2 polypeptide chains. MHC1 లో 2 పాలీపెప్టైడ్ చైన్లు ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి ఆల్ఫా చైన్, రెండోది బీటా చైన్. సో బీటా 2 మైక్రోగ్లోబులిన్ అంటారు. ఆల్ఫా చైన్, beta 2 microglobulin. Alpha chain contains 3 domains: alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Whereas beta chain contains 1 domain, that is microglobulin. So alpha chain contains a transmembrane glycoprotein. Transmembrane glycoprotein అనేది ఓన్లీ ఆల్ఫా చైన్ లోనే ఉంటుంది, బీటా చైన్ లో ఉండదు. Alpha chain is organized by 3 domains such as alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Each domain containing 30 amino acid sequences. Beta 2 microglobulin is similar in size of alpha 3 domain. It does not contain transmembrane proteins, hence anchor is absent. యాంకర్ అనేది ఉండదు బీటా 2. బీటా 2 మైక్రోగ్లోబులిన్కి ఇక్కడ యాంకర్ లేదు. చెప్పండి. హలో, ఎవరు? మోహినియా? నీకే అవుతుందా అందరికీ? చూడు, నెట్వర్క్ లో ప్రాబ్లం ఉందేమో. మ్యూట్ చేయి, మ్యూట్ చేసి నీట్గా వినిపిస్తుంది చూద్దాం. చేసావా? మ్యూట్ చేసావా? Beta 2 microglobulin is similar in size of alpha 3. It does not contain transmembrane proteins. When the antigen internalized and processed inside by the proteasome, the peptides are produced. So what is peptides? Generally antigens are polypeptide chains. These polypeptide chains are cut into pieces, so they are called peptides. The small pieces of antigen is called peptide. So proteasome processed inside by endogenous and exogenous. టూ పాత్వేస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇది మనం ప్రెజెంటేషన్ యాంటీజెన్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లో తెలుసుకుంటాం. ఎండోజినస్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లో మనకి ఉపయోగపడేది MHC1, ఎక్సోజెనస్ యాంటీజెన్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లో మనకు ఉపయోగపడేది MHC2. సో అది వేరే క్వశ్చన్స్, అవి నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో తెలుసుకుంటాం. వెన్ ది యాంటీజెన్ ఇంటర్నలైజ్డ్ అండ్ ప్రాసెస్డ్ ఇన్సైడ్ బై ది proteasome, when our cell infected by the antigens, microbes, that is called internalized and processed inside. That antigen processed inside, that means cut into pieces, peptides, is further loaded on the groove of MHC molecules and presented on the surface of the a particular infected cell. So they are presented by the MHC1. The peptides of the particular antigen presented by the MHC1. Okay. So what is MHC2? Class 2 MHC2 molecules are present on the surface of antigen presenting cells, that is macrophages, dendritic cells. These are antigen presentation cells. That means they engulfed the antigens, microbes, and after that the processing is started. So during the processing, the antigen divided into so many peptides. These peptides are presented by the MHC2 on the surface of the particular cell. So until the presentation over, until the presentation is over, and after that T cells are recognized. So T cells are recognized only presented peptides, and they are nullified by they are neutralized by our T cells. So that is cell mediated immunity response. So MHC2 binds with exogenous antigen, consists of two polypeptide chains, alpha chain and beta chain. The both chains are attached non-covalently. Each chain contains two units, alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2. Beta 2 and alpha 2 are transmembrane domains. That means they are anchoring the MHC2 plasma membrane. And alpha 1, beta 1 domains jointly have a peptide binding groove. The function. The major function of MHCs are defense against infections and diseases. Defense against the infections and diseases. So mediate certain autoimmune diseases and individual smell of the people. They are responsible for individual smell of the people. So this is about MHC1, structure of MHC1 and MHC2. Here, one second. ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఒకసారి చూడండి. This is alpha chain. This is beta chain. Alpha chain contains three domains: alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Whereas beta chain contains single domain. So here the transmembrane protein is absent in the beta chain. Hence there is one anchor is present in the MHC1. the groove present between the alpha 1 and alpha 2 domains. So here the peptide binds. What is peptide? It is a piece of antigen. It is a piece of antigen. So this is about the structure of MHC1. MHC2 ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. This is MHC2. Here alpha and beta chains are present. Alpha chain contains two domains, alpha 1, alpha 2, and beta chain contains two domains, beta 1, beta 2. So alpha 2 and beta 2 contain transmembrane proteins. That means two anchors are present. Alpha 1 and beta 1, between the alpha 1 and beta 1, peptide binding groove is present. Here the peptide is present. So peptides, where the peptides are formed? Within the cell by the processing. So adi manam exogenous or endogenous pathway lo telusukuntam. So this is the structure of MHC1 and 2. Any doubts? ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి, లేదా చాట్ బాక్స్లో మీ డౌట్ ఇచ్చేయండి. ఓకే, హలో హలో ఆర్ యు ఆడిబుల్? ఓకే ఓకే, లెసన్ విన్నారు కదా, ఏమైనా అర్థమైందా? ఓకే ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్ అన్నది చాలా ముఖ్యం. ఈరోజు కమిషనర్ గారు సర్క్యులర్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసుల పైన చాలా నిఘా ఉంది. 75% అటెండెన్స్ సరిపోకపోతే స్కాలర్షిప్స్ నిలుపుదల చేస్తామని కూడా సర్క్యులర్ ఇచ్చారు. 90% అటెండ్ అయినట్టు చర్యలు తీసుకోమని చెప్పారు. చాలా పర్టికులర్గా ఉన్నారు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడుతున్న మాటలు కూడా రికార్డ్ అయి వెళ్తాయి. సో అది ఇక్కడ మనకి, కాబట్టి మీరు చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి. ఇంతకు ముందు మా మీద, అంటే ఇక్కడ మీకు సరైన నెట్వర్క్ లేకపోయినా అవన్నీ చేసినా మరి అవన్నీ ఓవర్కమ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే పరీక్షలు దగ్గరకు వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి మీరు రెగ్యులర్గా అటెండ్ అవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఏవైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే గ్రూప్లో పెట్టండి, లేదా డైరెక్ట్గా ఫోన్ చేసి అడగండి. అలాగే నిన్న పంపించిన పీపీటీ చూసారా? అది రికార్డు వర్క్ కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, ప్రాక్టికల్స్ కూడాను, ఆర్గాన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇమ్యూన్ సిస్టమ్ది. అందుకే అన్ని గ్రూపుల్లో షేర్ చేయడం జరిగింది. జాగ్రత్తగా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఓకేనా? ఓ నో డౌట్ నిశాంత్ అని పెట్టారా? రైట్ రైట్, ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ guys. అండ్ చేసి